Gurucul Universal Federated Search empowers users to run queries from a single console across any data source, whether they are part of the Gurucul ecosystem or not, including data lakes, cloud object storage, databases, identity systems, and threat intel sources. Welcome to the Universal Federated Search demo. We will start with building connections to our various external sources. In this scenario, I'm going to give an example of, say, Snowflake. In Snowflake, I have a data source created where I'm using JDBC to connect to Snowflake using a username and password, and I can use this connection to search into Snowflake data that resides outside the Gurucul Reveal platform. And I also create connections to other data sources outside the platform, for example, Athena. So if I have data in S3 for long-term storage, we can create a connection to and query that data as well. There are many reasons you might want to do federated search. Foremost, if you have data that you do not want to be currently ingested into a SIM to avoid things like ingestion costs, data transfer costs, data storage, and duplication costs, you can keep it in your existing warehouses and use the Universal Federated Search functionality to query that data. Querying that data directly from Reveal also helps hunters and analysts use the same investigation interface to query these datasets. Also, it helps when Gurucul SIM or UEBA gives you alerts and incidents. You can use the data from other resources and systems to add more context to the incidents that the Reveal platform is flagging. Now I will do a quick demo of federated search. Here you can see I am in the Investigate screen in the Reveal platform. I have this tab called Federated Search. So if I click on Federated Search, I have an option to select one of the resources that we have created. I have the Athena resource that will help me query against Amazon S3 and Snowflake. You can create as many resources as you want. We support a lot of out-of-the-box connectors, connecting to a variety of different resources, including your legacy SIMs, your cloud apps, data lakes, etc. Let's start with Snowflake. I select the Snowflake data source, and now I can query my Snowflake data. We will start with some really basic queries. Select All from Transactions, and you can see I immediately get results from Snowflake. Based on whatever access I have been given, I can get different kinds of data, and I can keep searching for different results. We can also do something more complicated here. We will do a count, group by, and order by the count. One thing to note here is that Federated Search supports native querying syntax. So for Snowflake, you can use SQL and it will translate those results. You do not have to learn a new querying language. Here are the results of the last query ordered by count. You can write more complex queries as you need to get the desired results. You can do joins between multiple tables, specify fields, count, and more. So you have the options, build what you need. Now we will select Athena as the data source to query against some data residing in S3. I can change my data source as easily selecting from the drop-down menu. And now searches are going to query against S3. This helps you immediately get results from different data sets, which are outside of the actual data that has been ingested into the SIM. This can help you in your investigations without greatly increasing your costs. Even if you're not doing investigations and just hunting for threats, you keep your data where it is and query it from one single interface. Thank you for watching.